client stays the same.
Right. I take care of the crowd, you handle the manager. Threats don't work, do what you gotta do. Keeps the vault keys on him.
So your teller sounds the alarm. How long do we get?
5 minutes, maybe more, before the cops show.
What if it all goes to hell?
I'm not fucking around, Tom. You hear gunshots down at the vault? Don't come up. It's the money or nothing at all. You doing this?
We're doing this.
Everyone down on the floor! Get the fuck down! Not you, ladies. Stay where we can see your pretty faces. Anybody moves, I'll pop them!
Get the manager! I need you all to stay on the ground! I see movement, people start getting shot! We all want everyone to get to go home and hug their kids tonight, right? No heroes! Not today! No kidding around, you saw God done?
No, please. Don't do anything.
What are you doing?
I don't want to die.
With me! Down to the vault!
I'll do whatever you say. No one needs to get hurt. This make you feel big? Beating on the little guy?
It's making me feel rich, and the little guy gets to walk away if he doesn't do anything stupid.
Hey, quit moving! You're making me nervous.
How many
When
guards
I get
at the
nervous,
vault?
my trigger finger
One.
gets shaky.
You gonna shoot?
I don't know.
If I see a gun, he gets a bullet. So you tell him to stand down. It's all on you.
Everything okay?
Manager here is being good and cooperative. We're all doing what we're told, aren't we, buddy? Keep moving.
You won't get away with this. Your sword never do.
You just worry about yourself.
You
want to see
I'm
your daughter
watching
graduate
you.
from high school. You keep your hands where I can see them and tell your guard to do the same. Remember, when we get to your guard, you tell him to drop his gun. You got that?
Listen to me very carefully. I need you to put down your... I'll take the voice! Shoot him!
Hold the tower! I'm out! Vault keys on the table! No one else has to die. I don't have to die!
Jesus, Mary and Joseph.
Quick and moan it!
damn it! The cops are here! Let's go. Get the money. It's time to go.
Don't need this, Antonia. Surrender! Drop the money! The place is surrounded! Nowhere to run, boys! He's all over me! Got him! Get to his side! Taking cover!
Let's go, Tommy.
Two suspects, kill on sight. We got more cars on route. Get everyone from the station. Now we get time. Send them down. This way.
Officers report suspect found. Get on him, please. He's downtown now. Stay on him, boys.
Go, go, go!
Where?
Anywhere, just lose the cops! We got some extra muscle coming in! Tommy, look out! Behind you!
Yeah, the suspect's been lost downtown. We'll find him. All cars, pursuit is called off.
Where now?
The Palermo Club.
Sam's Club.
Hey, it's empty right now. But you don't know, can't hurt him. Almost there, Tom. We've almost done it.
It's still almost, Paulie. We'll only have done it once my heart stops trying to beat outside my chest.
I can't believe we fucking did it! We're loaded! We're loaded!
Yeah,
For all time's sake.
sure. We gotta go. I'll see you tomorrow.
Unless I'm halfway to Hawaii. Oh, come on. I'm kidding. Hey, I couldn't have done this without you. I know that. Go home, celebrate with Sarah, come by my place in the morning, we'll split up the dough.
Yeah, okay. Good luck.
See you around, pal.